Daddy, I got to tell you something very easy.
Okay, what's your question?
And this is making sound.
Look up here. Okay, Lucy was making that sound.
You say, oh, sorry, you.
Okay, look up here. Lucy was making that sound because she realized that Mommy was awake and she wanted to get Mommy's attention, so she'd open her bedroom door and play with her and give her belly rubs. That's why she made that sound. Can you make that sound again?
Yes, okay.
That is a very accurate sound that the doggy makes. Okay?
I know one. Mommy, I love her.
Misty?
I have to give her hugs.
Yes, you have to give her hugs.
Mommy.
Okay, hey, go flush. Good job, baby G. Hey, can I get an okay bye?
1, 2, 3, okay, bye.
Oops. Did you get a boo-boo?